In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to share my Figma design to client. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable ways to get your work in front of a client while keeping the right level of access and privacy. Start by opening Figma and loading the exact file you want to share. Make sure you're in the correct page and zoomed to the relevant frames or prototype flow you want your client to see. This helps avoid confusion later and ensures the link drops them into the right context. Next, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This opens Figma's sharing panel, which is your hub for controlling who can access the file and what they can do with it. If you prefer direct controlled access, invite your client by email. Type their email, then choose the appropriate permission. For client reviews, can view or can comment is typically best. Can view lets them look, but not mark anything up, while can comment allows them to leave feedback right on the design without changing it. Reserve can edit for trusted collaborators who need to make changes. Add a short message so they know what to focus on, then send the invite. If you need a quick, flexible option, copy the link and share it. Before you do, adjust the link's access level. Set it to anyone with the link and pick can view or can comment depending on how you want feedback. If you're concerned about privacy, keep it restricted and share only with specified emails. A helpful tip: test the link in a private or incognito window to confirm it behaves exactly as you expect for your client. Within the sharing panel, you'll also see additional options to refine access. Use these to switch between viewing and commenting, restrict downloads if necessary, or ensure the link points to your prototype instead of the raw canvas when you're sharing interactive flows. Small tweaks here can make your client's experience smoother and more focused. If you want to make the work discoverable to a broader audience, you can publish your design. Publishing shares it more publicly, such as in the community. So use this only when you're comfortable making your work visible beyond your client. Add a clear title, a concise description, and a good cover so viewers understand what they're looking at. And always double check that no proprietary content is exposed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.